wind took her.
Bingo, folks, there we have it. One 8x16 beam done by the master craftsman, Hushi himself. Slid her down the track, a little overhang on the front. Got a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Douglas fir beam here. All right, we're going to start chopping our posts down to height and start setting beams. We'll keep you posted. We got the most of the frame up. The posts are set. The beams are all done. That center beam there, she is a monster. It is 8 by 16 deep, 25 feet long. That's going to be the opening for our sawmill so we can load the logs onto the track and stuff like that. That last little bay down there is just going to be for tractors or skid steers or whatever, get them out of the elements there. And then down this way will be where the sawmill head and carriage is. But yeah, that's it. She's pretty much set. Got a little bit of fine tuning to do, and then screw her all. The backside's all screwed together. We're using some 12-inch crazy lag bolts holding everything together. And we got a little bit of fine tuning to do on the front on this beam and stuff, and she'll be ready. So the boys are down milling rafters. Got about a half a dozen done so far. They're 2 by 10 by 20s. So that should give us a good size overhang. Keep all the snow and elements off of us. All right, little buddies, we'll keep you posted as we go.